Hi, I'm Jim from Raymarine, and this is the Axiom Plus RV family of multifunction chart plotter fish finder displays. They're available in 7, 9, or 12-inch sizes. Let's take a closer look. No matter which screen size you choose, the features and capabilities are the same. Of course, for the best visibility and ease of use, we recommend selecting the largest overall display that fits on your boat and works within your budget. Large or small, Axiom Plus RV is lightning fast and simple to operate. Axiom Plus RV models are a full-function GPS and chart plotter with a built-in Real Vision 3D sonar system. They're great as standalone units or as the foundation for building out a custom electronic system for fishing boats, cruising boats, and even cruising sailboats. Every Axiom Plus model features a high-resolution, sunlight viewable LCD panel with in-plane switching. This gives you the widest possible viewing angle, great color and contrast, and excellent visibility even through polarized sunglasses. Axiom Plus models come with Raymarine's exclusive HydroTough nano coating. HydroTough is bonded to the glass at the molecular level and resists water and oils to give you reliable touchscreen control even when your hands are wet. Plus, HydroTough makes cleaning your screen a breeze. At the core of every Axiom Plus is a full-featured chart plotter and multi-satellite GPS GNSS receiver. The antenna sensor is built right into the display, making installation easy. Axiom Plus models accept electronic charts on micro SD memory cards. Many Axiom Plus kits include Lighthouse charts North America in the box, but we do also offer Axiom Plus kits without charts, so you can choose your own. Be sure to double check when ordering your display and add the right charts for your area if needed. The Axiom Plus chart plotter is compatible with many different popular chart systems, including Lighthouse charts, Navionics, CMAP, and many more. The RV suffix on Axiom Plus stands for Real Vision 3D. This sonar system is built into every Axiom Plus RV model, and it's like having 4 fish finders in one. With Real Vision 3D, you get conventional chirp for targeting fish, high-resolution down vision and side vision for viewing structure with incredible detail, plus a 3D sonar mode for seeing the bottom and fish targets from a 3D perspective. To complete your Real Vision 3D sonar system, you'll need a Raymarine Real Vision 3D transducer sold separately. Raymarine offers a range of transom mount and through-hull transducer options so you can tailor the system to work perfectly on your boat. Axiom Plus RV models can be used as a powerful standalone system, or you can expand them using their RayNet and NMEA 2000 networking connections. Use the RayNet high-speed Ethernet network to connect with additional Axiom family displays, radar scanners, marine cameras, even FLIR thermal night vision. The NMEA 2000 port on Axiom Plus lets you connect to things like engines, autopilots, instruments, marine stereos, and more. Axiom Plus is a wireless networking powerhouse too, equipped with both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity. With Wi-Fi, you can connect to the internet and run apps like Netflix, Spotify, and YouTube right on your Axiom display. Raymarine's Axiom Plus 7, 9, and 12-inch displays are fantastic options for fishing, cruising, and sailing boats alike. They're compatible with a wide range of accessory screens, sensors, scanners, and instruments, so you can build a custom navigation system for any boat. Are you ready to get Axiom Plus RV on board your boat? Visit raymarine.com for all the details or connect with your local Raymarine electronics dealer. Thanks for watching.